All right, thank you, thank you. Thank you for your round of applause. Very enthusiastic.
Yeah, that's more like it. Thank you.
I bet I was like looking at some of the faces. The moment we came on stage, they were already like, "Oh my God, it's them again!" Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, change some MCs, rather than us again.
Well, you see us a lot. That means we have to be good. Okay, how many people here have actually seen us more than once, or at least once? We got. Okay, we got the president giving us an applause. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. All right, so how's everyone's night going so far? Good? Bad? A little more enthusiasm? Woo! There you go. Okay, so welcome to Indian Night 2019. So tonight's theme will be Stree. Does anyone know the meaning of Stree? Yes? Okay, so Stree by definition means women.
But Indian Night 2019 has a slight twist on the theme of Stree. You see, while Stree means women, the theme of tonight, we actually want to show the positive embracement and empowerment of women from India all around the world. The birth of an Indian woman and her path of life, and how important it is and significant for everyone here to understand and also support. Okay. Ooh, what you doing? What was that? What was that?
Getting some gifts for you.
Got some gifts?
So, what?
Got some gifts?
Yeah.
Okay, no. Okay, so for those of you who do not know us, we're going to introduce ourselves. My name is Dominic.
I'm Elric.
Wow.
Sorry,
Okay,
I was just daydreaming around. My bad.
Give him a boo. Give him a quick boo. Come on, boo.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so,
All right, so before we kick off the night, we're going to have some formalities first, such as national anthem. So can everyone please kindly stand for the national anthem of America? Thank you.
all right, everyone, please continue to stand for the national anthem of India.
All right, everyone, please kindly take your seat. Thank you. All right, so quick question here. Who here is originally from India? Or if you are from India or you were born in India, who?
Oh, okay. Which part of
Okay.
India are you from?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, okay. What else we got?
Gujarat.
Gujarat.
Gujarat, okay.
Who else? Jinx.
Oh, we got our
Which
advisor.
part of
as
India are
well.
you from?
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Eric, let's go get the advisor of the Indian Heritage Club.
Advisor.
Oh,
There
there.
you go.
Brother.
Too many people. Can't see. So where are you from? Which part of India?
New Delhi.
New Delhi.
New Delhi, okay. Anyone else? New Delhi as well. All right, start shouting it out. Where are you guys from? Gujarat, okay. Hyderabad. Punjab.
Mumbai.
Nice. I heard Mumbai. Who said Mumbai? Oh, nice. My aunt is from Mumbai, so that's why I like Mumbai. Okay, so next up, we're going to have a few speeches coming up. And to kick that off, I would like to call upon the president of the Indian Heritage Club, Jigar, to the podium. Thank you. Please give him a big round of applause.
Namaste. This takes a bit of time, so yeah. Namaste. Good evening and a warm welcome to India Night 2019. Year after year, we have entertained you with enthralling themes. This year too is no different. Tonight's theme is Stree. Stree in Sanskrit means women. Our evening today is dedicated to celebrating women from all walks of life. The game changers, the path breakers, and the trailblazers. On behalf of India Heritage Club, I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome all our esteemed guests. Mayor Dave Klaes, President Dr. Robin Wacker, St. Cloud State faculty, and the entire Indian community who have turned up to support us. Now, I'd like to invite St. Cloud's longest serving mayor, our very own Dave Klaes, to give the opening remarks.
Well, good evening. Thank you, and I'm honored to be here. Always enjoy. This is one of the aspects of St. Cloud State University that I treasure, especially as an alum. But there are so many students, international students, and I think from what Shahzad told me, the most there's ever been, representing the most countries that have ever been at St. Cloud State. It doesn't only enrich the lives of those students who are here at St. Cloud State University in St. Cloud in Minnesota, but it enriches every other student on this campus to have that experience and to share that culture. And as a community, enriches from an opportunity for folks to come and experience nights like tonight. It is something I've had the honor and the ability to travel often. I've mentioned this many times. I've been to 112. I always try to, every time I come and speak, at least add a few countries before I speak, in case you've heard the 112 countries. And I have been to India, and I have enjoyed, and it's wonderful to be here tonight with a country that has such a tremendous heritage and history and such a tremendous culture, and has given so many gifts and contributions to humanity. So I appreciate the opportunity to be with you tonight. I appreciate the opportunity to, I know the students put on, do a lot of work to put on a night like tonight. So I want to thank you on behalf of the St. Cloud community, and I'm so honored to be part of a community and an alum of a university that embraces that culture, that diversity, and shares that. And thank you for the students tonight to share a piece of that with all of us. Thank you.
Thank you for your encouraging words, Mr. Mayor. Now, let's have on stage a charismatic leader who is shaping the future of higher education. Here is someone we all adore. I call upon President Robin Wacker to give us a few words.
Namaste. Good evening, students, faculty, staff, and community guests. Thank you for coming. Thank you to our student hosts, the Indian Heritage Club, and I know we are in for a delightful evening. Our students from India comprise one of the largest international groups here on campus. And indeed, as the mayor noted, one of our strengths as a university is our longtime commitment to a global education. And I'm proud to say and confirm that we have students from 96 different countries who, like tonight's hosts, are a huge and significant part of who we are as a university. And I am proud to be the president of a university with such diversity. Our international students enrich our campus community and help cultivate greater understanding. Their many contributions are invaluable. And one of those contributions is tonight's spectacular cultural celebration, where we get to celebrate Indian culture. So it's interesting, our hosts have chosen a theme of Stree, which we all know now translates into women in English. Tonight they share with us a celebration of women power at St. Cloud State University in their homeland and in the world, of women who changed the world, women who broke barriers, women who empowered societies to make a difference, and women who inspire the next generation. So, I am honored to be the first female president at St. Cloud State University in its 150-year history. And I guess that means I broke some barriers. And I'm here to say you too can break barriers and reach your potential. I am aware of and proud of the progress that has been made in gender equity in higher education, in business, and society across the world. Women across the globe are serving in critical leadership positions in government, education, nonprofits, in business and industry. You know, I'm the daughter of parents who never graduated from high school, but they worked hard to make sure I had the opportunities they were never able to have themselves. So I am fortunate and honored to be here and to be just one of many leaders in higher education across the country and here at St. Cloud State University who are committed to making sure our students have the education they need to be leaders that we need them to be so that we can address the many challenges we face as humankind. Now that is woman power in action, don't you think? I think so. So thank you to our students for their efforts to plan and support this evening's exciting event. And thanks also to India Heritage Club President Singh and faculty advisor Kala for their leadership. It's very important and we appreciate all your time and effort in that regard. So now I'll turn the program over and off we go with the evening, and go Huskies.
Thank you, President. Next, let us have Shehzad Ahmed, Associate Vice President of Center for International Studies, at the dais, please.
Good evening, everyone. What a great job I have at St. Cloud State to be responsible for the International Office and the Multicultural Student Services, that we get to enjoy the many different cultures and diversity, and every Saturday, a beautiful night over here in this ballroom. But I do want to share a little bit of the history. As many years ago, when I was a student, and of course we did not have a large community, either from Pakistan or India or the subcontinent, and the advisor of the Indian Heritage Club and the community members, the Indian community, the small Indian community that existed at that time, they supported us as students, and we really put a first kind of a subcontinent night over here. And many of those community members are here today, and I do want to recognize them and say thank you for continuous support after years and years, so thank you for coming again. But I think the important thing tonight is what we saw this whole week, and as I talked to Jigar and the other students who have been planning for this night, that the beauty of everyone coming together and supporting one another. And that's really what we are proud of at St. Cloud State, that the people from all over the world come together and celebrate one another's culture. And you will see that the reflection today, as in the program even, how students are celebrating and participating and learning about one another. And that's what I'm proud of, and I hope you will enjoy that. Enjoy the evening.
Thank you. Now, let us all have the soul of IHC, our advisor and mentor, Dr. Sneh Kalia, to share a few words.
Namaskar. I'm Sneh Kalia and proud faculty advisor of India Heritage Club since 1993. Every year I work with different group of students, and every time I'm pleasantly surprised by their talent, dedication, and enthusiasm in creating this kind of cultural and entertainment night. I particularly want to thank and welcome Dr. Robin Wacker, President of St. Cloud State University, Mayor of St. Cloud, members of St. Cloud City community, my fellow faculty and staff who are here tonight. We appreciate your support for students, and more so, we appreciate your encouragement for work the students do. Thank you to all. India Heritage Club was devoted a night of entertainment to SRI, that is Women of India. Dr. Wacker just told that she broke the barrier by being the first female president of St. Cloud State University. I didn't do that, a big breaking, but I broke the barrier by being the first female faculty ever hired in Department of Physics in St. Cloud State. The status of women in India has been subject to many changes over the span of thousands of years of Indian history. Their position in early society was a very high position in India's ancient period. Since 1950, women have been doctors, lawyers, engineers in police, armed forces. Some women have served in various senior positions like in the government, like the President of India, Prime Minister of India, and Speaker of Lok Sabha. Women immigrants from India have also held very high positions, especially in the corporate life in America. On behalf of India Heritage Club, I welcome you again to this evening of cultural experience. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, ma'am. I would request the Mayor, the President, Ahmed Shehzad, and Ma'am Kalia to light the diya, please. I've had the honor of being the 26th president of India Heritage Club at SCSU and working with a dedicated team. This team has put together a fantastic show for you. We have dance performances, songs, and skits for you to enjoy tonight. So without any further ado, let's get the show started.
सर्वलोकं मयिकां सरस्वती महाभागी विद्याकमललोचनी विद्यारूपी विशालाक्षी विद्यां दिहे च सरस्वती ॐ ऐं ॐ मा सर्वदा
Wasn't that incredible? Okay, so now we have an incredible story for you.
Daddy, लड़की हुई है.
Congratulations, beta. What should we name her?
There she comes. Sid, I think we should name her Nia after my late sister.
Oh, Nia is such a beautiful name.
Oh, and look, she's got your eyes. There.
The Malhotra family is ecstatic. A new family member has joined the ranks. The first newborn of Rahul and Anjali is here. It is time to celebrate.
वजह से खान मुझको दिल में रुख साथ म्यान बाय जानो वजह से खान मुझको दिल में रुख साथ म्यान बाय जानो वजह से खान मुझको उंगली पकड़ के तूने चलना सिखाया था ना दहलीज ऊंची है ये पार करा दे बाबा मैं तेरी मलिका टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो दिलबरो मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो देखो दिलबरो दिलबरो मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो लाडो उंगली पकड़ के फिर से सिखा दे गोदी उठा लेना माँ आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ देना मैला सा लागे जहाँ नैनो वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला छलकाई मधुशाला मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया नैनो वाले ने नैनो वाले ने नैनो वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला छलकाई मधुशाला मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया चिलाडाची ग आवड हिला चंद्राची चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी नवसाची ग अप्सरा जशी इंद्राची ग और आई चली शर्माती घबराती वो पिया के घर इठलाती बल खाती वो सुरमई नैना छलकाती वो पिया के घर भरमाती सकुचाती ना तो मैया की लोरी ना ही भावन की हो
Yeah, I'm coming.
Where are you going?
My friends are outside waiting for me, and I'm heading to a party. Tonight, Nia's gonna be on fire. Please let Daddy know.
But today is your papa's birthday. Shouldn't you be here for his birthday party?
Mom, his birthday comes every year, and I'll celebrate his birthday next year with him. My friends and I had already planned this weeks ago. Bye-bye.
Anjali, I'm home.
Hi Rahul, how was your day?
Very tiring, as you can see.
Oh, come on. Look at me. I've been working all day, but I'm still fresh.
कुछ कुछ होता है तुम नहीं समझोगी अंजलि अच्छा where is my darling Nia Nia
She has gone out with her friends again. I'm sorry.
I just don't know what to do with this girl. When we were young we had nothing close to her and this is the behavior she's showing us. I think we have totally failed in raising her.
No, Rahul, we haven't. Don't think too much about it. She's just led astray. I'm sure we can bring her back.
How? Just how? I'm totally concerned about her.
You know what? Let's send her to your mom's place. I think she can fix her.
I want to agree with you, but she's never really home and she doesn't even ask you for permissions. Do you think she's gonna actually listen to us?
Remember when your father wasn't agreeing to our marriage, but your mom explained to him why this was the right thing to do? Anyway, what do we have to lose?
I think that sounds great. Yes, let's do that.
Nia has grown to be a rebellious teen. She doesn't like her parents meddling into her things. Rahul and Anjali coddled Nia through her childhood and now are worried that she is going astray. They still have hope and think that they have found a solution, while Nia all the while goes to a house party now.
झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार चक दे अंधेरा चांद जला दे बल्ब बना के फिक्र न करियो करना भी क्या है बिजली बचा के सारे आम पिला खुशी के जाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार
है दिल के ऐश फरमाते हैं गाड़ी के बोनट पे पीते हैं खाते हैं हो बादशाह है दिल के ऐश फरमाते हैं गाड़ी के बोनट पे पीते हैं खाते हैं फितरत अपनी अट पड़ी ऊपर से जीन्स भी फटी और खोल के रखते अपनी शर्ट के बटन उंगलियां क्या नाचेंगी रे डांसिंग फ्लोर के लेजेंड हम हिलाते लटकों झटकों से हीरो के भी हीरो हम उंगलियां क्या नाचेंगी रे डांसिंग फ्लोर के लेजेंड हम हिलाते लटकों झटकों से हीरो के भी हीरो हम sand and the sea and the night, and we're feeling alright. Yeah, we're feeling alright. क्यों लम्हे खराब करे, आ गलती बेहिसाब करे, दो पल की जो नींद उड़ी, आ पूरे सारे ख्वाब करे। क्या करने हैं उम्रों के वादे, ये जो रहते हैं रहने दे आधे। दो बार नहीं एक बार सही, एक रात की कर ले तू यारी। सुबह तक मान के मेरी बात, तू ऐसे जोर से नाची आज के घुंघरू टूट गए, के घुंघरू टूट गए। छोड़ के सारे शर्म और नाच, मैं ऐसे जोर से नाची आज के घुंघरू टूट गए, के घुंघरू टूट तो कम जिंदगानी, उससे भी कम है जवानी। एक तो कम जिंदगानी, उससे भी कम है जवानी। जब तक जोश में जवानी, जब तक खून में रवानी, जब तक जोश में जवानी, जब तक खून में रवानी, मुझे होश में आने न दो। प्यार दो तो प्यार लो, प्यार दो तो प्यार लो।
प्यार हो तो आता है मजा अपने ही शोषण में, स्लो मोशन में।
आजा डूब जा तेरी आँखों के रोशन में, स्लो मोशन में, स्लो मोशन में, स्लो मोशन में।
Where is she?
चार बज गए लेकिन पार्टी अभी बाकी।
Yeah, beta, are you alright?
I'll go get her blanket.
Nia, beta, I wanted to ask you something. I know you want to do something for your school's project. I have an idea.
Mom, you have an idea? Ha ha. How can you possibly have an idea?
Your dada is coming here to visit a temple, and we have decided that you'll go back with him.
Excuse me? Dada? He is very old and he lives with Dadi in the village. How is this boring trip going to help me with my project?
Nia, listen, beta. When you're in the village, you will get to ride Dad's bike.
Dad's bike? Now we are talking.
And by doing this, you will know the differences between village and city life in India. And also, you will learn how to explore the village.
Okay, okay. Up to I'm definitely going. When do I leave?
In about 2 days, beta.
OMG, I am so excited. Let me just text my friends about it. Hello, Dadi and Dada. Kidhar ho aap dono? Where are you both?
Aresh, look who's here. Nia, how are you?
I'm good, Dadi. Aap kaisi hai? How are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
Where is Dada?
He's in the kitchen making food for me.
Dada? Dada?
Nia beta, how are you?
I'm good, Dada, how are you?
Good.
Okay, Dada, क्या बनाया आपने खाने में? What have you prepared in dinner?
I made कद्दू के पराठे.
The best parathas in town.
Ew, what's kaddu?
Hey Ram.
You know, Dada, I'll have your kaddu ke parathe later. I'm going out on Dad's bike. Bye-bye.
Okay.
दादी, आप डैडी को कुछ ना कहना, please. Don't say anything to him. Tell him Dada broke Dad's bike.
Don't worry about that. That I will take care of. But how will you hide your broken arm?
Beta, we can worry about the bike later. You get better.
दादी, मैं मम्मी डैडी को कॉल करती हूँ. I'll let them know that I want to stay with you guys a little longer until my fracture heals.
That's good. Eat or else.
Daddy, why are you so stubborn?
Where do you think you got all the sassiness from?
Acha, Daddy, I'll have your sabzi now.
Please kick the cat out of our house.
Wow, Daddy. Wow, Daddy, this is so delicious. How did you make this?
That I will tell you afterwards. But how about I share some stories with you while you're resting?
चलो ठीक है. वैसे भी I don't have anything else to do. My phone broke.
That is good. I will share the same poem with you that we used to tell you while you were a little kid. चमक उठी सन 57 में वो तलवार पुरानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी.
Oh, I remember this poem. But what was it about?
It was about back in the days in 1857 in India while the British ruled. There was this one brave woman who brought all of Jhansi together and kicked the British out of Jhansi.
Let us time travel and go back to 1857 India. Rani Lakshmibai is fighting for independence. In this performance, we are celebrating her valor and courage.
ओ राजा जी, ओ महाराजा जी, नैना चुगल खोर राजा जी. ओ महाराजा जी, नैना चुगल खोर राजा जी. मन की रुन झुन छुप ना पाए, मन की रुन झुन छुप ना पाए, खनक खनक खन के नैना.
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए. सिलसिला ये बात मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए. मेरी नस नस तार कर दो और बना दो एक सितार. राग भारत मुझ पे छेड़ो, झंझनाओ बार बार. देश से ये प्रेम आँखों से छलकना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए. तिनका था हमने सवारा, अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा। लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन, आंखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन, आंखों से अपनी। संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े, हर द्वार खोल के गगन कहे विजयी भव, विजयी भव, गगन कहे विजयी भव।
Oh, Dadi, but why did she give her life though?
For India and for the kid that she was holding in her arms while she was fighting, so that that kid could have live in a free India, and so you could have a great life without being under the control of the British, beta.
I guess, but don't you think it would have been better if she was alive to see her kids grow up in a free India?
Buddhu, that was a reality. It's not a story that we can change. And Jhansi Ki Rani was a warrior, so she had to fight.
She was such a brave fighter, Dadi, and that is so cool.
Yes.
अरे देखो लाइट भी आ गई.
अरे हाँ.
Okay, beta. So, do you also know about the first female teacher and feminist? She was born in the 1800s and her name was Savitribai Phule.
Wow, the first female teacher and a feminist in those days. That is pretty amazing, Dada. And what makes her so cool is that she was a feminist who fought for women's right. And that is not something everyone else can do these days.
Definitely, definitely.
Contribution of Savitribai has been immense in uplifting women, and she has been a role model for all. With our next performance, we are paying a tribute to all those who have made India proud with their immense efforts and sacrifices.
का भी हक था। ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
सारा जहां देख लिया, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ मुझको तड़पा दिल लाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे
Forward the song, please. Forward the song. No, forward the song, please.
लगाए सावन घिर के आए ऐसा। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो जय हो। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो
Forward till Jai Ho start, please. Jai Ho start. Jai Ho start. Oh, forward from Jai Ho start, please. Woo! Did not edit the song. They do it. Come. Okay, the performance was that.
मुझे नहीं पता था ये सब. I never knew so much about Rani Lakshmibai and Savitribai Phule. They have sacrificed so much for our country and have taught us how to succeed in our lives. Dadi, Dada, I haven't done anything with my life. My life has been such a waste. And I've had so many opportunities to improve और मैंने अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं किया. I haven't done anything in my life.
But you know, you still have time to change, Nia beta.
Ow!
Oh, sorry.
Okay, let's see. Oh, Sukil. I've not seen you for a long time. How's the night going so far? Are you enjoying the night?
It's going amazing, yes.
Thank you. All right, who else? Who else am I going to pick on? Let's see.
Wait. I got one here.
Where?
Hey, Sue. How's the night going? How's the performance?
Wow, they've got a lot of variety, a lot of color, a lot
Do you enjoy it?
of course.
Nice.
I like how you just looked at me. He was like, no. Well, I'm going to come back to you. So, how's the night? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you enjoy about it?
Dancing.
Dancing. Okay, that's good. You too, I'm going to come to you. Okay, what about you? What do you like so far?
Dance also.
Dance or so. Okay. Albert, you got anyone else? Where are you?
Yeah,
Oh, you're
right
there.
here. How's your night? How's the performance? Do you enjoy it?
Of course I do. It's great how they move and how they dance.
Okay, which skit do you like the most? 1 till 4. Which one do you like?
Number 2.
Number 2. Why?
They moved very nice and they did like the dance the best.
All right, thank you.
Okay, I found my next target. So, hello, Shruti. How are you?
I'm good.
Are you enjoying the night?
Yes, very much.
Don't worry, I won't leave you alone. Josefina, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Okay. I love doing this.
All right, I got one
brother,
here. Hey,
I
man.
noticed you're looking as well. How are you?
I'm good. How
Okay.
are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from India, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, India. Nice.
Yo, I got one here. How do you enjoy the performance?
Yeah, pretty good. That's pretty good.
Which one do you like the most?
All of the best.
All of it. All of it. That's good.
Okay, were you guys calling me? Oh, you were shouting ahead. It's okay. Since I heard you, I'll come as well. So, how's your night, brother?
It's great. It's great.
Where are you from?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad as well. I should make him dance. Okay, his friend says that we should make him dance. Should we make him dance?
Yeah.
It's okay. No, I don't want to make him too shy.
All right, I got one here. Hey, man. How do you like the performance?
It's good, man.
Which one do you like it?
Third one?
What?
Third girl.
Okay.
Yeah, I found a little boy here. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name? Shy. It's okay. Okay, so I found some people who I know. Hello, Metmini. How are you?
Doing good.
Doing good. Everyone's like so shy today. Why is everyone so shy today?
Wait. I know someone that's not shy. This guy right here. How do you like the performance?
I like it really.
Which one?
Which one? How many guys at?
Weren't you paying attention?
I was paying attention, yeah.
Oh my God. Okay.
Okay, who here has a friend who they know is shy? Anyone want to call up? Anyone shy?
Yeah, right here.
I see a hand.
Okay, wait, down. Before that, how do you like the performance?
It's good.
It's good, that's all? That's all you can say? Come on, more.
It was fantastic.
Good, fantastic, come on.
Okay, now we got someone from Germany. Matthias, how's your night?
Awesome.
Okay, we know the other Matthias is over there performing later. he ran inside. The moment I mentioned his name, he just ran in. Okay, so did you guys enjoy the skit? What is this? No energy. Come on. Did you guys enjoy the skit?
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, what did you like about the skit?
What do you like about skit? Wait, I'll go there. Okay, what do you guys like about skit?
I'm sorry?
What do you guys like about the skit? Okay. What do you like about the skit? The skit. What do you like about the skit? Skit.
The play. The skit is the play or the drama that you're watching on the videos.
Dude.
Okay, one last one. All right, what did you like about it?
I like the Dadi because she's so cool.
He likes the Dadi because she's so cool. Okay, that's a good answer. Now, just to let you guys know, for those who maybe did not get the full on about the skit, so the first skit basically is showing about the positive embracement of a birth of a female child in India.
Okay, so moving on to the next skit, it's about a course of life of a growing adolescent lady. So after that, it's about Rani Lakshmibai. So here are a few facts about her. She was the queen of Jhansi. She was the greatest warrior of freedom struggle of India. And she was an inspiration of the successive woman freedom fighter in India. So everyone, mostly a lot of people look up to her.
And the fourth and final skit, of course, speaks about Savitribai Phule. And here are a few facts that you should know about her as well. She was the first female teacher in India. She was a strong-willed feminist. She was a social reformer and a poet from Maharashtra. And the most important thing about her is also that she fought for women's rights in India during the time of the British rule. So here is something you should know, people. Back in the time when the British used to rule over India, there were many women who contributed so much to India to earn their freedom today. And for them, let's just have one round of applause for those women who have fought and contributed to India. Thank you. So, before we continue on the night now, it's not over yet. We still have other performances for you, and we are actually going to start off with a rap. Who here likes Indian rap? Has anyone here like Indian rap? Do you guys like Indian rap? Yes? No? Come on, one more time. Who here likes Indian rap? All right, now put your hands together for RAZ. Thank you.
Yeah, RAZ, representing Pakistan. यहाँ हर बंदा बस अपनी ही सोचता है, पैसे के पीछे भाई भाई को नोचता है। कत्ले आम होते हैं यहाँ सड़कों पे, हर कोई दूसरे की गर्दन दबोचता है। मैं आया यहाँ एक बात बताने को, रूदादे हाल इस दुनिया की सुनाने को। खुश होते हैं ये मासूमों के कत्ल से, ज़्यादा नहीं तो थोड़ा काम लो तुम अक्ल से। कौम हमारी आजकल है सो रही, हमारी कौम की हर एक माँ है रो रही, हो रही यहाँ बच्चों से ज्यादती। एक दिन के लिए लोगों की गैरत है जागती, फिर वही होते हैं दुनिया में काम। सियासतदानों के ऊंचे होते हैं नाम, इनका काम लोगों को नीचा दिखाना, हर बात में लोगों को करते बदनाम। शेर की जुबानी सुने शहर की कहानी, यहाँ रैप नहीं होता तेरे वहम को भगा दी। लड़कियां नगाड़ी अपनी अलग ही आबादी, असल रैप का ये ज्वाला तेरे आत्मा में जगा दी। क्योंकि फर्क है तुझे छेड़ने की तलब है, तू नकली वाला मर्द मर्दानगी पे कलंक, हैवानियत की शक्ल। जितनी तुझ में गर्मी उससे ज्यादा गर्म मेरा कलम। क्यों इतना बेशरम, काम का वो आज जिसमें तेरा कल नहीं का, काम का वो काम जिसमें तू सफल नहीं बल नहीं। दिमाग की जरूरत तेरे भाई की हुकूमत, भाग 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 भाग। दादागिरी बंद कर, तू चल तो संभर कर, खुद को तो ढूंढ के तू उसको अमल कर। नकली गुरूर उसको मसल कर, नकली वजूद उसको कुचल कर। जरा कम कर शानगिरी कम कर, जरा कम कर लुखीगिरी कम कर। ठंडा कर जो बुखार तेरे सर पर कम कर, गुरूर ये खत्म कर। जरा कम कर शानगिरी कम कर, जरा कम कर लुखीगिरी कम कर। ठंडा कर जो बुखार तेरे सर पर कम कर, गुरूर ये खत्म कर। कौन बोला? मुझसे ना हो पाएगा। कौन बोला, कौन बोला? अपना टाइम आएगा, उठ जा अपनी राख से तो उठ जा तलाश में, परवाज़ देख परवाने की, आसमां भी सर उठाएगा। आएगा अपना टाइम आएगा, मेरे जैसा शाना लाला तुझे ना मिल पाएगा। ये शब्दों का ज्वाला मेरी बेड़ियां पिघलाएगा, जितना तूने बोया है तू उतना ही तो खाएगा। ऐसा मेरा ख्वाब है जो डर को भी सताएगा, जिंदा मेरा ख्वाब अब कैसे तू दफनाएगा। अब हौसले से जीने दे, अब खौफ दिए सीने में, हर रास्ते को चीरेंगे हम, कामयाबी छीनेंगे। सब कुछ मिला पसीने से, मतलब मिला उस चीने में। क्यों? क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा। तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा? अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा। तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा? अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा। तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर? किसी का हाथ नहीं तो सर पर यहाँ पर आया खुद की मेहनत से मैं। जितनी ताकत किस्मत में नहीं उतनी रहमत में है, फिर भी लड़का सहमत नहीं है क्योंकि हैरत नहीं है। जरूरत यहाँ मर्जी की और जरूरत की है, ताकत की है, आफत की, हिमाकत की, इबादत की, अदालत की है, चाहत की, मोहब्बत की, अमानत की। जितने की इबादत की है, शोहरत की, अब लालच नहीं है। तेरे भाई जैसा कोई हाड़ इचने इस हरकत ने ही बरकत दी है। क्यों? क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा। तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा? अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा। तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा? अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा। तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा? थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Hello? Okay.
Test. All right, so did you guys enjoy that? Okay, free trial. Who wants to rap? Who? I heard someone. I heard someone. Who was that? Point the person out. Point them out. BJ. BJ. Bro, you want to rap? I can see you hiding. Alec, how about you? You want to rap?
I can't rap. I'm bad.
Okay, who else? Anyone else? Let's see. What about a lady? A lady here can rap? No one wants to volunteer. I saw a hand, but... Bro, you want to rap? Here, I'll give the mic.
I mean, Dom, you can rap, you know? Give
Can
it a
I-
go.
Can I rap? Oh no, let's see. Mic check. Here we go. It's a K-Block coming up just stereo. Under the hit makers and even this scenario. And now switch it up. Hit it with Spanish flow like.
Woo! All right. Okay, next up, we're gonna have a pop dance by HKC and Tasa. Please give them a big round of applause.
नमस्कार। नमस्कार। कहिए क्या सुनेंगे आप? अरे पहले ये कहिए कहाँ थी आप? मैं कर रही थी किसी का इंतजार। कौन है वो जिससे मैं करती हूँ प्यार और जिससे करती हूँ मिन्नतें बार बार। कैसे?
coming straight from out of the dance hall.
क्लब में तू आई होने को हाई हेड टू टो को मैंने हाई सीधा गई बार पे देती नहीं फुट लगता है ताजा ताजा हुआ ब्रेकअप बेबी ऑल अलोन ना कोई संग हेरनी सी आंखें बेबी सावला रंग देख के तुझको फूली है सांसें मेरी अकड़ गए मेरे अंग बेबी कुछ भी रहा नहीं बस मैं ऐसे जान न ले मेरी हंस के ले बेबी बीट पकड़ जोर लगा थोड़ा कस के
मैं वोट लगा के तेरे नाल नचना मैं वोट लगा के तेरे नाल नचना होए मैं तेरा ही ना रटना अड्डी मार के वेड़ा पटना अज मैं टल्ले हो गए हटना नी मैं वोट लगा के तेरे नाल नचना मैं वोट लगा के तेरे नाल नचना होए मैं तेरा ही ना रटना अड्डी मार के वेड़ा पटना अज मैं टल्ले हो गए हटना नी दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुंह पे मेकअप कर लिया ओ दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुंह पे मेकअप कर लिया मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ये सब कर लिया मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया
हमको बिन बताए तूने ये कब कर लिया अरे हमको बिन बताए तूने ये कब कर लिया तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया
सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ये सब कर लिया
तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया
Look, baby, मुझे लगता है कि जो भी तूने किया है वो वेरी वेरी राइट है भूतकाल
इश्क दा ऐसा पाया जाल सोनिए दिल मेरा कट के ले गई नाल सोनिए तेरे पीछे लगे होया साल सोनिए मान जा क्यों ना सता करे गहरा नाल जद गल्ला दुखदा है दिल मेरा चला किन्ना तड़ पावे सोनिए पावे तू मेरे मिठी मिठी गल्ला करी जावे कहंदी गड्डी विच गेड़ियां लवाते हुण दूरों तक्की जा तू सोनिए
लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ सानू भी झूठा दे दो इत्थे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ मॉडल टाउन च मारे गेड़ी मॉडल टाउन च मारे गेड़ी सानू भी झूठा दे दो इत्थे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ
जिम शिम करता हूँ ढिड मेरा लीना नी तू बोलती है गल्ला जिवें चलदी मशीन नी तू 24 घंटे देखती है स्कूबी डूबी डू हले रहन दे तू ना बोली आई लव यू पहले बोल ले तू बोतल गलियों में पै जा मैं रोला यू के सारे तुझे बोले कोका कोला तू
ना समझ तू कोका कोला मैं तो विस्की दी बोतल मेरा एक सिप ही है काफी उन्हें कौन शॉट होटल चखना मना है रुकना मना है मुझे पी ले जरा आ तू कोका कोला तू शोला शोला तू कोका कोला तू
All right, how did everyone enjoy the pop dance? Did everyone enjoy it? Come on, more enthusiasm. Do you enjoy it? Yeah.
Okay, that was much better. You know what I find really interesting about St. Cloud State a lot is that whichever culture that we go to, performers come from all sorts of backgrounds, all around the world, and we all just unite here and just dance, enjoy, look at my face, I look at your face, and then someone there just turns away the moment I said that.
All right, what do we have next?
What do we have next? Okay, so we have a performance by a group called Eminem, and they are going to be performing South Indian songs. Anyone here from South India? Okay, I know you guys have not had your dinner yet, but come on, let's have some energy. Come on, anyone here from South India?
Woo!
Okay, much better. Hallelujah. All right, so everyone, please put your hands together for Eminem. Thank you.
कुछ पूछा ना कुछ मांगा तूने दिल से दिया जो दिया ना कुछ बोला ना कुछ तोला मुस्कुरा के दिया जो दिया तू ही धूप तू ही छाया तू ही कुछ ना जानू बस इतना ही जानू तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा
29th August 1958, a legend was born, later known as the King of Pop, Michael Jackson.
రావమ్మో ఆగమంటే రేగేనమ్మా సొగ్గాడు ఆగడాల పిల్లోడైనా నీ ఓడు
జాజిలా పుట్టే సిందిరో మల్లె తీగల చుట్టే సిందిరో తేనె టీగల పుట్టే సిందిరో సుందరి ఈ సుందరి అంద కోసం తాడుతో కట్టే సిందిరం మొత్తం మందునే పెట్టే సిందిరం కొత్త దారిలో నెట్టే సిందిరం సుందరి ఈ సుందరి
అట్టయ్యేరు మొహాలు వేసుకుని చూస్తారేంట్రా వాయించండి కన్ను కొట్టరు పాల పెట్టరు బయట పట్టరు అర్రే 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 కన్నె పెట్టరు కన్ను కొట్టరు పాల పెట్టరు బయట పట్టరు గుట్టు గుట్టుగా జట్టు కట్టరు జంట చేరితే గంట కొట్టరు బొట్టు గిట్టు పెట్టబంటే ఊరుకొను పెట్టె కట్టి బుట్టె కొట్టి తీరతాను
साइकिल साइकिल वो मारी सोनानी साइकिल साइकिल पर बसी नमी तसियो तरंवा
డచ్చగాన్ వారా సంకినాయాల డీజే కొట్టు డీజే
Damn, wasn't that energetic as heck?
Wait, did everyone enjoy that? Yeah?
Everyone from South India, did you guys love that? Yep. Only one. Only one person answered me. Come on, those of you from South India, did you love that performance? And those of you from every other part of India, did you love that performance?
Yeah!
All right. So, Alvik, what do we have next?
Okay, next up, we're gonna have Desi Boys.
Desi Boys.
Yeah! All right, please give them a big round of applause.
इश्क सहरा खली बली हो गया है दिल, दुनिया से मेरा खली बली हो गया है दिल, खली बली हो गया है दिल, दुनिया से मेरा खली बली हो गया है दिल। जब से पहना है मैंने ये इश्क सहरा खली बली हो गया है दिल, दुनिया से मेरा खली बली हो गया है दिल। राम जी की चाल देखो, आंखों की मचाल देखो, करे ये धमाल देखो, अरे दिल को तुम संभाल देखो, अरे राम जी की चाल देखो, आंखों की मचाल देखो, करे ये धमाल देखो, अरे दिल को तुम संभाल देखो, अरे चाल देखो ढाल देखो, रगों में उबाल देखो, ओ देखो ओ देखो ओ देखो देखो देखो।
बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी, खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक भटक साली, दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली। बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी, खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक भटक साली, दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली। बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी, खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक भटक साली, दुश्मन की देखो
से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली, जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली। मेरे तेवर में है तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली, जैसे जैसे हो ईद में होली। मेरे होठों से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली, जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली। मेरे तेवर में है तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली, जैसे जैसे हो ईद में होली। मेरे जीवन की दशा थोड़ा रस्तों का नशा, थोड़ी मंजिल की प्यास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, हाँ कसम से बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है।
सबके होठों पे चर्चा तेरा, बटता गलियों में पर्चा तेरा। यूं तो आशिक है लाखों मगर सबसे ऊंचा है दर्जा तेरा। जेब में हो अठन्नी भले, चलता नोटों में खर्चा तेरा। यूं तो आशिक है लाखों मगर सबसे ऊंचा है दर्जा तेरा, सबसे ऊंचा है दर्जा तेरा।
मेरी तारीफ से छुपती फिर बदनामियां मेरी, जैसे जैसे वो आंख में चोली। मेरे तेवर में तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली, जैसे जैसे वो ईद में होली। मेरी जीवन की दशा थोड़ा रस्तों का नशा, थोड़ी मंजिल की प्यास है,
बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है,
बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, हाँ कसम से बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है। पे ये बोल दो, आएंगे देर से, फिक्रे सब छोड़ दो। आज हक से अपने हिसाब में हम जो करने चले, गलती वो जोड़ लो। तो आज यार कुछ लम्हों के लिए बिगड़ी राहों पे तुम पैरों को मोड़ दो। आज हक से दुनिया को भूल के जितने हैं कायदे वो सारे तोड़ दो। हो खुले ग्राउंड में आके ऊंचा साउंड बजा के रेड वाला कलर लगा के नचेंगे हीरो बनकर। जय जय शिव शंकर, रंगूड़ है भयंकर, रंगूड़ दे दो, रंगूड़ दे दो। हम आए कल शंकर के मूड है भयंकर, रंगूड़ दे दो, रंगूड़ दे दो। जय जय शिव शंकर, रंगूड़ है भयंकर, रंगूड़ दे दो, रंगूड़ दे दो।
Whoa, wasn't that a great performance? Yeah? I think SCSU is going to have a new dance crew. Don't you think so? No?
Okay. We just said that we think SCSU is probably going to have a new dance crew. Do you guys agree? Okay, I think the petrol bar is going down already. Not enough energy. No energy to scream. Okay, let's try some more time. Give it up for Daisy Boys. Okay.
Okay, wait, what do we have next?
Okay, so after a lot of hyped up dance moves, let's mellow down a little bit, you know? We gotta mellow down a slight bit, just take a chill pill sometimes. And we actually got a musical performance. It's gonna be a band by two people who I love a lot. They are amazing, and you will love their music as well. So everyone, please put your hands together for Turza and Abhishek. Woo!
Hello? How you doing? Right, so we are Avi, and this is Turja, and we're gonna perform some songs for you tonight. So the first song we have here is from the band called Silk Root, and it's Duba Duba, and you can join us, okay? Okay, the second song is dedicated to all the engineers in the house. Make some noise, engineers. सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो।